Welcome to Edpuzzle. Shout out to Loop for showing us how to use this, I think about a year ago. So we have our school has a temporary membership to Edpuzzle. So I just wanted to show those of you who are interested how to use this and how you can connect it to your Google Classroom. So basically, for those of you who don't know, you can just turn any video into a lesson by adding questions. You can add your voiceover, you can cut the clips, and you can even add notes. So it's pretty cool, especially in our new age of online learning. So those of you who don't have one, you just go to sign up. It's similar process. Just make sure that for the school you put Upland Junior High so it can connect you with the rest of us using it. So I'm going to log in. I'm a teacher. I'm going to go with my Google Classroom. Make sure you use your Upland EDU. Takes you to the home screen. So first things first is you can connect your Google Classroom to this. So all you do is go to My Classes. See, mine is already connected, but you go to Add New Class, and then Google Classroom, and then it already loaded My Classes, but it'll do some connecting, and then it'll load every class that you own, so you can click on which ones you want to import. So then it does all of that for you. So that's pretty simple. And here it shows you the assignments, the students, all of that stuff. So you can go back to content. So these are all the different channels you can use or videos and search on there. So I'm going to go to my content. So this is all stuff that I have saved on here that I was looking at and I thought was interesting and I want to use at some point, or I just want to go back and look at. So the ones with the little upside down teardrop are ones that I have edited and that are done. See, the rest of them, it's just the plain videos. So once you're done editing it, it's pretty easy. You just click on it and then you can add questions wherever you want. You can add voiceovers, all kinds of stuff. So go back to content. So when you want to assign it, you just click here at the bottom, you hit the little blue button, assign, and then you pick the classes you want to assign it to. You can put a start date, due date, you can put your preferences here, post on Google Classroom, prevent skipping is usually a good one, and then assign. You can also assign it later. And then if you just want to share the link, you can do that also by copying the link. And this won't give you feedback, like it won't give you the students' responses. Only the one posting to the Google Classroom will. But if you want to just share it out. This is a really cool feature over here. If you go to Upland Junior High, you can see what other teachers are connected and using this. So if you want to see a specific teacher's content, like if you want to use something that they're using or that they've made, just go on the teacher's page. So I'm going to go to like Miss Montez, and she has all of these cool little videos. So if I find one that I like, I can click on it and I can edit it, or I can copy it and it'll put it into my content. So then I can assign it to kids, or you can edit it and play with it. So pretty cool. This kind of just lets you see different content. But these were the things that I enjoyed about it, is that I can see what other teachers have. And I can also use that stuff to assign to my students. So, all right, there you go. If you have questions, let me know.